Joining us here on Real Agriculture at the Crop Production Show in Saskatoon, we have Scott Hebert of Green Arrow Tech. You guys are in the UAV business, and there's been lots of talk about applications for drones in agriculture. How are you guys putting them to use?
So yeah, we've been operating with UAVs for about a little over 2 years now, and we started off in crop health, working a lot with, NIR sensors, thermal, and visual, and we ended up finding there was a lot more use in 3D modeling. So finding accurate elevations, being able to put that to use in drainage. We're utilizing now an RTK capable drone, and with that we've been able to get 3 to 5 centimeters accuracy, 3 centimeters horizontal, 5 centimeters vertical, and use that to create accurate models that we can help farmers drain their excess water.
And you have a pretty cool 3D model here in your booth that why don't we go take a look at that?
Let's take a look.
So this is an augmented reality watershed simulation in a sandbox, essentially, Scott.
That's correct, yeah. So we built this with, it's actually available online with open source software. So this is just a demonstration of how our software works to do accurate watershed modeling. So if you look here, this is a bit of a sample of a alpine lake, right? Not something that we deal with out here on the prairies, but it shows an accurate model. So what we can do is we could show people how this drains, right? So when we're doing a model, we're not only showing where the water goes, but also the kinetic energy that it moves with, depending on the amount of volume of the water, right? So not only will it do that, but we are able to calculate displacement of water. So this is very, very, very useful if we need to do volumetrics or calculate land mass. As you can see here, if I just drop this in, it will disperse the water.
So is this practical, or is this a demonstration? How do you apply this in an agricultural kind of setting?
So this we wouldn't apply directly. This is an educational tool just to show the capabilities of the software, right? We can show farmers, right, or anybody in the ag industry how they would deal with drainage problems. So in this case, what I could do is I can do a flood simulation. So what I do is I'll just do a couple of holes here. And what I can do is I can run a quick flood simulator.
So that's a low spot.
And that's a low spot, and we could show them this is how we approach drainage. This wouldn't be the exact way we would do it, but this would be how we approach it. And it shows that there's a lot more to draining than just cutting a ditch from one area to another. It's the slope, it's the angle, and a lot of many other factors.
It's pretty cool. Thanks for your time, Scott.
Thank you.